Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Isa ka ba sa mga medyo naguguluhan sa paggawa ng research questions? Para sa iyo itong video lesson na to para makatulong sa paggawa ng iyong research questions. So, eto yung mga objectives para sa araw na to. Compare the different types of research questions. Second, differentiate the general problem from the specific problem of the research. So, okay, tara na't simulan na natin. Ang next step ng researcher pagkatapos ma-clarify ang rationale na identify ng degree of seriousness of the problem na provide na yung literature review and na-set na ang overall objective. So, ito na yung dapat gawin. So, yung tinatawag nating formulation of the heart of the thesis. This is that statement of the general and the specific problems. Meron tayong 6 na criteria sa pagsusulat ng purpose statement according to the principles of the qualitative research, Designing a Qualitative Study by Creswell and Clark, 2014. Number 1, use single and not compound sentences. Number 2, clearly express the purpose of the study. Number 3, include the central phenomenon. Number 4, use qualitative words such as explore, discover, and explain. And then identify the participants of the study. And lastly, state the research site. So here are the criteria for specific problems. So listen carefully. 1, they must be in question form. Second, they must define the population and the sample of the study or the respondents. Number 3, they must identify the variables being studied. So this is an example pattern for the purpose statement. You may use this one in writing your research. 2 types of research questions according to Creswell and Clark 2014. The central question, this is the most general questions that can be asked. And then second, we have the sub-questions, questions that subdivide the central question into more specific or the topical questions and are only limited in numbers. Okay, so here are the guidelines in formulating the research questions. So first, the question should begin with the words such as how or what. Second, the reader should be informed of the information that will be discovered, generated, explored, identified, or described in the study. And then third, the question what happened should be asked to help craft the description. The question what was the meaning to the people of what happened should be asked to understand the result. And number 5, the question what happened over time should be asked to explore the process. So this is the script as guide in designing the qualitative central and sub-question. So, number 1, central question script. What is the meaning of what does it mean to close open parenthesis central phenomenon? So, here are the examples. Number 1, what is the meaning of intrapersonal competency? Number 2, what does it mean to differentiate the customs and the traditions of ITAs to those of the locals? And then, example number 3, what does it mean to characterize the study habits of the top 10 students of the class? And then, letter B, how would participants describe the central phenomenon? So here are the example. How would school manager describe intrapersonal competency? Example number 2. How does the ITAs and the locals of the Zambales differentiate their customs and tradition? And number 3 example, how would the top 10 high school students characterize their general study habits? So generally, there are 2 types of research question. Number 1, non-researchable question. These are the questions of values that are answerable by yes or no. So example, should all mother breastfeed their babies? Number 2 example, should high school teacher be watchful over their grade 7 students? And then a second type of research questions. is the researchable question. These are the questions or opinions or perceptions or policy that are raised to accumulate as data. So example, how do senior high school students respond to their math teacher? Okay, thank you so much. See you on our next video. So if you like this video, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you so much and God bless.